These topiary videos are blowing up all over social media right now. They're getting millions of views, and one has already crossed 200 million. So if you want to jump on this trend, I'm going to show you exactly how to make these videos yourself using a simple workflow we created. First, get the master prompt from the description. Quick note, I will show you unlimited video method also for this. Now, open Chrome and sign in at .flow. Now, from here, choose Nano Banana 2 for the text image model and ratio 9:16. Then, copy our image prompt, paste in Flow, and hit Generate. As you can see, it's generating our image. Finally, we have the image. If you think they are not good for you, then you can generate more. For me, I will choose this, and I will click in 3-dot and hit Animate. Now, select Ingredients, 1x and VO 3.1 fast for the video model. Now, get the video prompt from our master prompt and paste it here, then hit Generate. As soon as the video gets generate, I will show you the result before showing our unlimited part. Now, for generating the unlimited video, all we need to do is search Google Vids. Now, sign in here using an email, and you will drop an interface like this. Now, I will generate video using another model, so I will generate an elephant model from Flow. Now, download the image and get back to Google Vids. Click in Create from Sketch and make it Animate an image. Now, upload the image and get the Before Video prompt from our master prompt. Now, paste the prompt and hit Generate. As soon as the video is generated, for export the video, all you need to do is click this arrow and download as MP4. Let's see how it performs. You'll find all the links and tools I used in the description. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks!